welcome back to our channel. My name is Tamisha.
And I'm Jerome.
And we are the Whitmores. Today is an exciting day because we're trying Ryan, aka Bl4ck Denim Bl4ck
Big up, homie. Big up, homie.
Drip butter sauce. So we are so excited. We just received it in the mail, so we're going to do a seafood boil on it, and we're going to tell you what we think of the sauce.
Big up, homie.
Good job, Ryan.
We got your back over here in Philly. We got you.
We're so proud of you. We truly, truly are proud of you. All right, so today we're eating Dungeness crab, mussels, potatoes, sausage, snow crab, one lobster tail, and prawns. So we're going to get started.
I'm gonna try these sausages first. But you know, Ryan, I want you to know something. We're gonna give you the real deal. You know, Whitmore's, we do the real thing. We give you a real review. You may be our homie down there, and we up in Philly,
Florida.
You down there, you in Florida, you doing your thing. But we gotta be honest for the people. We gotta be honest for the people. And here I go.
I'm going to try mine with an egg. Ooh, I'm making a mess already.
Give me a second, Ryan. Give me a second. Let me get to you. Let me get to you. Try with a mussel.
It's good. It's like smoky.
It's good.
It tastes like some sort of smoked paprika or chipotle or something.
Got a little kick to it. Got a little kick to it.
It does have a slight spice.
A slight spice to it.
Nice deep flavor.
Good. It's okay. Good. Good.
This is a garlic butter sauce that you will want to eat with seafood.
Right. It's good.
But
A little messy, Ryan. A little messy on my hands, homie. A little messy. But it's good.
He also said that his sister, she likes to eat it with chicken.
Oh, really?
Chicken? Yeah. So,
Fried chicken?
So I'm going to try it that way too. Here's a shrimp. Give y'all a little close up. Don't that look delicious?
It's good. It's good. Tastes really good on egg too. The egg with the sauce really good. It's not too thick. It does have a little bit of kick, a little bit of spice to it, which I like it. You like a little bit of spice?
I love spice.
Like a little bit of spice to it, which I like it. I wish you would put just a little more spice though. I would like a little more heat, but not everyone has heat. Maybe you can come out with a different version of extra hot, you know, extra spicy, and then regular spicy for some people. But I like the sauce. I'm giving it 2 thumbs up. It's really good on sausage. These are Dewey sausage, correct?
Yes.
And these Dewey sausage is really good on sausage, especially a spicy sausage. But you know, some people like more heat, some don't. I like them a little more heat, but the sauce, I like the sauce. I think we should come out with like a really spicy version, a little more mild version. A lot of us, especially us black people, we like a lot of spice. So
yeah, Ryan, he likes spice. I'm quite sure he's gonna come out with a spicy version.
Ryan, you like spice?
Yeah.
Come on, holla at us, homie. I'll dip it for you, baby. Look at that.
Not like that. Thank you.
It was really good to see African American people, you know, being entrepreneurs, you know, because the only way really to build true wealth, especially for black people, is to get your own thing. I mean, how many people working for somebody else, you're not going to make so much money work for anybody. So supporting our own people, praising them when they're doing something well and positive, which is what we need. This is something I love to review. I love to purchase this. We're going to try to spread this around to all our friends in the Philadelphia area. And tell them to go get this sauce. Go get it.
The cost is $25. And he has a website. And the website is blackdenim.com. And it's Bl4ck Denim, DENIM.com. And that's where you can go to purchase the sauce.
And it's worth it. It's worth the money. It's worth the money. And like I said, you're supporting black entrepreneurship. And it's something that everyone should definitely try and go get.
Yep. He also has a lot of cooking videos.
Well,
and his food looks so delicious.
What do you cook? What do you cook?
Everything. He used to have a segment every Sunday, what you cooking or something like that.
Really?
But he don't do that anymore.
Why you don't do
That was
that
fun.
anymore? That's a good thing to do.
Now he has the butter sauce. It's been keeping him busy. Working around the clock to keep these orders up.
Yeah, there you go. Especially at the busy week like this, what's going on in the world. Like Trump. Like the COVID election coming up.
Mr. I don't want to wear a mask. Now they're caught up with him. This is good. Right there. This is delicious.
Everybody talking about Trump. He spent $750 on taxes, but you can't blame him. It's legal. They gave him the loopholes to do it.
Exactly.
What's going to say? He's going to say tax time. The CPA say we only get you for $750 in taxes. All you got to pay. What are you going to say? No, I don't want to pay $750. I want to pay $200 million in taxes.
You'd be a fool.
Be a fool. I can't blame him for that.
This is really good.
Good on the corn.
Flavorful.
Really good on the corn.
But yeah, this is messy. That's so good. You be. All right. There's quite a few YouTubers who have butter sauces now.
Well, so what? That's the new thing. Everybody calling butter sauce.
In the mukbang community. I mean, why not? You have a following. You can easily promote it. And I'm glad these younger, YouTubers are understanding that just because you have a YouTube channel, it doesn't stop there. It doesn't make you an entrepreneur. You're like an independent contractor, but you still work for Google. But now that they're making their butter sauces, they're becoming entrepreneurs. And now they have several streams of income.
Gotta make that money.
It's a beautiful thing. And of course, we want to support.
That's no crap.
Juicy.
I like Dungeness better than snow crab. The flavor of Dungeness is better than me. It tastes more better. It's just more flavorful. The Dungeness than snow crab.
Yeah.
You like snow crab better, don't you?
No, I like blue crab the best, and then Dungeness, and then snow. I don't really care for king crab. It's a lot more meat, but I don't care for the texture. I can't wait till this COVID business died down, Ryan. So when hubby and I come to Florida, we can taste that good cooking.
We'll be there.
I want to try that crawfish, a seafood boil.
What part of Florida you from?
Jacksonville.
Jacksonville. Mm-hmm. Jacksonville Jaguars?
Yes. Yep. Duval. That sauce is very flavorful.
The sauce is good. The sauce
very
is good,
flavorful.
Man.
Good job. Did you try it with everything? You tried it with potato, sausage, mussel?
Not potato yet. Not potatoes yet. Everything else. What's that?
Yeah, lobster tail.
Oh.
I boiled it, so that's why it wrapped around and stuff like that.
Oh.
It curled up like that.
But it tastes good with the mussels.
Yeah,
Really good. This my Dungeness.
mm-hmm.
Oh, look at that. It's really good. A little spicy, but I like it. A little more heat, but
I'm quite sure he's gonna come out with a spicy version because he loves spice.
When is crawfish season down there?
Oh,
Crawfish season?
it was not too long ago.
Okay,
Like during the summer, I think.
good crawfish down in Florida.
Mm-hmm. Florida and Louisiana.
Look at all that juice. You see that?
Mm-hmm. They juicy. I let them soak for a little bit. Put as well with the mussel and sausage.
How long was the making this butter sauce? What he just when he come out with it, or he kept talking about he's coming out with it?
He used to like 2 years ago. He made the butter sauce and he called it Hot Mama Sauce.
Oh.
And you know, a lot of subscribers would tell him that you need to sell the sauce, and they would let her try it, but it looked so good. So he finally just put it out to share and changed the name to Drip. So, and his first batch that he made, he sold out. Now he just released his second batch, I think on Friday, but I don't know if he sold out yet.
So what we got? The first batch?
Of course. As soon as he said he was selling it, I was right up on it. And then, and also he just reached 20K. Congratulations, 20K. On your way, on the road to 50. Well, he's a really good mukbanger. He puts in a lot of work and dedication, and he's appreciative of his audience.
Pretty good. Especially this dungeon. You cook this dungeon, it's pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
Like really good. Juicy.
Let it soak.
Yeah. So when you let it soak, that's how I get like this?
The juices reabsorb back into the
Through the shell?
Yeah. What through the the openings right here.
Oh.
My hands are messy. Alright, no more paper towels. Well, Ryan, in closing, we want to let you know that your sauce is delicious, okay? Flavorful, savory. It's not really garlicky to me. It tastes sort of like smoky, but I'm sure that it's
what
garlicky.
you got in here, Ryan? You got smoked paprika in here? You put smoked paprika in here, didn't you?
Or like a smoked chipotle or something. Something that's like smoky.
Something smoked in here. Okay, we know it.
Very delicious. Oh, I forgot to get lemon. I'm quite sure lemon would, brighten it up, add a nice brightness to it. But it's very delicious. You're going to do well on this sauce.
We'll do very well.
Yeah.
Congratulations from the Whitmores up here in Philly. Congratulations on this wonderful sauce. It's excellent. With that being said, we'll give you 2 thumbs up for your sauce. We got your back up here. And with that being said, if you want to be notified with any more videos from the Whitmores, hit that like, subscribe button, and we'll be back with you guys in another video. Again, we don't put out a lot of videos because we work full time, so we try to put out videos when we can, and we try to put out videos that have a meaning. Mm-hmm. So when we see stuff like this, like a good person down there in Jacksonville, Ryan, he's doing his thing down there, we gotta support. With that being said, enjoy your Sunday.
And again, don't forget to follow Ryan at his YouTube. It's Bl4ck Denim, Bl4ck Denim, Bl4ck Denim. Thank you. Stay safe and stay blessed. Bye.